What's up, everybody? It's me, Miss Melody. So as you can see, I am working on this bird bath, and I decided I wasn't going to do too much to it. I'm just going to use red, and I'm going to make the inside blue to put water in. It's going to be so pretty. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. Stay tuned, because I'm making a flower bed for the bird bath out in the front yard. Alrighty, stay tuned. Okay, so I decided that I want to put flowers around the bird bath. And so what I planted here now, I can't remember the names of these, but I know they come every year. So I actually put a hole in the ground to put these in. Then the other flowers are just blooming. You know, they'll bloom whenever you plant some. So they won't be all the way in the ground. They will be in the soil on top of the filtered paper. But stay tuned. I'll show you what the bird bath looks like in here. Thank you. What I'm doing is add some wildflowers in here just to see what happens. I don't know what's going to happen, but we'll see later on this summer. Hey, Uncle. I'm not putting them in there any kind of way. I'm just sprinkling them in there. I found the seeds. I don't know if they're going to work, but what I want for this bird bath is to have a bunch of wildflowers around it. And maybe it'll draw the bees from the house to the flowers out here. I can work with bees that way. I don't want them in the house. If the birds don't eat the seeds, I'm trying to put them in the dirt. Okay, so in here, that's the base for the bird bath. I'm going to paint the inside. I think I'm going to do it blue, but the outside is going to be red. And the cost so far is $3.99 for these flowers. And then I had dirt here at the house. These bricks and rocks was found in the back of my house, and so I decided to expand it and make it a little bit bigger. But now I'm going to go and work on the top for this bird bath. But I'm excited to see how it looks from the street.